Miss Makima, I really don't want to eat Burger King. Please, Miss Makima, tell Denji to fuck off. I'll do anything.
Hayakawa, I like Burger King.
No one likes Burger King. It's impossible.
Hayakawa, this is a direct order. Go and get me chicken fries.
Pochita, I think Burger King may actually suck. I think I have food poisoning.
Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce.
Hopefully Aki brought home toilet paper.
Bruh, hurry up. Open
Whopper, 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 Whopper.